The university has been a long-standing partner of Wolves, and we have worked closely together to provide a range of exciting opportunities for the local community. These have included research collaborations, as well as vital exposure and placements for students, allowing them to gain crucial work experience at the start of their careers. Football coaching and performance graduate Brandon Ball is no different, having recently secured a full-time position in a coaching role at the club following a successful placement provided as a result of the partnership.
Wolves got me onto my UEFA B, and they've basically turned around to me and said once the UEFA B is completed, which is around May, then there will be a job there for me, which is brilliant really, because at this moment in time Wolves is the only place I want to be. The opportunities have just been brilliant, to be honest, and without university them opportunities would not have come about. It's been so helpful for me, and I advise anybody to go to university to study coaching, to get that wider range of knowledge around it.
The partnership has enabled students and staff at the university to have some unforgettable experiences, both personally and professionally. The relationship has provided our students, who are often fans, an unrivaled insight into elite sports and performance, both on and off the pitch.
It's a good experience because it gives you an insight of what academy players are playing at. So obviously if you don't get your professional, you can still experience a good pitch to play on. Cause for me personally, this is my first time playing on a professional pitch as well.
Being here is great, the facilities absolutely immaculate, and yeah, having this opportunity and experiences, yeah, it's just a big thank you to the uni, to be fair. Wolverhampton are in the Premier League, so we're basically playing a Premier League stadium where the greatest of footballers have been here. Last week, Kevin De Bruyne scoring 4 goals, and now we're sharing the same pitch, changing rooms with the likes of Ruben Neves and stuff. So this experience is, yeah, it's probably a dream come true.
The opportunities provided from the partnership extend further than the pitch. The University and Wolves eSports recently held the city's first ever live eSports event, streaming the Le Mans virtual series, offering exposure to a whole new audience. The eSports team later returned to the university's new £5 million screen school to head up a boot camp for a professional tournament, utilising the innovative and industry standard facilities on offer at the university.
So we've chosen to base ourselves in the screen school this time around because the university has been a major partner of Wolves eSports for the past, since 2018 when Wolves eSports started. So when the screen school opened and we spoke to members of the faculty beforehand, one of the things we pointed out was this could be a great space to have a training camp for eSports players.
I think the facilities for us are probably very unique. I think it's being connected to Wolves, both the football club and now obviously the university having the facilities here. I think it gives us a unique opportunity that not a lot of teams would have, in that there's so much sort of scope and there's so much depth that's been put into this work. I came here back in, I believe it was October, when all this was being built, and just to hear the plans for it, back then was a big enough prospect in itself, but not to be here and actually see it completed. It's a really good facility. I'm hoping that we can utilise it way more going forward, and hopefully it'll give us better results too.
The international pulling power of the partnership is evident for all to see, and Blake Hout is the perfect example, having been drawn to study at the university from his hometown in Southern California, after seeing a university pitchside advertisement on TV that first piqued his interest in coming to Wolverhampton.
I'm actually a massive supporter of Wolverhampton Wanderers. I started supporting back at a very early age, back when I was a teenager, and I just fell in love with the club, and I saw some advertisements here at the stadium while watching on TV, and I decided, it was probably about time that I get international experience at a school far away from home, learn how to become an independent human being, and I decided to fly out here, get season tickets to Wolves, and study at the local university, the University of Wolverhampton.
The research opportunities on offer have provided a critical insight into elite performance and facilities, allowing both our researchers and graduates to hit the ground running in their fields.
My current programme of study is a PhD in sports psychology at the University of Wolverhampton. I wanted to study for a PhD after finishing a master's. This was one opportunity that came up to work alongside athletes every single day and also focus on developing research. It's given me more confidence in my own abilities, so I always thought I was very desk-bound, very academic, but being able to work here at the football club has made me realise that I could have other opportunities, potentially as a practitioner. Being here has given me a new perspective on career ambitions, so I've been very fortunate for that.
We're excited to continue this important and innovative partnership for our city and look forward to creating more opportunities for Wolverhampton together.